The observable universe stretches 93 billion light-years across. It contains over 2 trillion galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars. If you could travel at the speed of light, reaching the edge would take 46 billion years. Our Milky Way is a spiral galaxy stretching 100,000 light-years across. It contains between 100 and 400 billion stars, and our Sun is just one of them. We are located 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. The Sun contains 99.8% of all the mass in our entire solar system. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun with room to spare. Light from the Sun takes exactly 8 minutes to reach our planet. Solar flares release energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs in seconds. A powerful solar storm in 1859 caused telegraph systems worldwide to catch fire. If that same storm hit Earth today, it would knock out all global power grids. Our solar system has 8 planets orbiting a single star. Jupiter is so massive it could swallow all other planets combined twice over. Venus rotates backwards and spins so slowly its day is longer than its year. A black hole is a region where gravity is so strong not even light can escape. At the center of our own Milky Way sits a supermassive black hole. It is 4 million times heavier than our Sun, and it is called Sagittarius A. When a massive star dies, it collapses into an object the size of a city. This is a neutron star, and it is the densest object in the known universe. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh 1 billion tons on Earth. The Andromeda Galaxy is hurtling toward our Milky Way at 110 kilometers per second. In 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will collide and merge into one. When they do, our solar system will be flung to a completely new location in space. 13.8 billion years ago, all matter and energy existed in a single point. In a fraction of a second, it expanded faster than the speed of light. Everything you see, touch, or feel came from that single unimaginable moment. Ordinary matter, everything we can see, is only 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy, invisible and completely undetectable. We know it exists because without it, galaxies would fly apart instantly. The light you see from the North Star left it 433 years ago. Some stars visible tonight burned out before humans even existed. Looking at the night sky is the closest thing we have to a time machine. Scientists have confirmed over 5,500 planets orbiting stars beyond our Sun. Some orbit in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist. Statistically, there are likely more planets in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. The International Space Station orbits Earth at 28,000 kilometers per hour. Astronauts on board see 16 sunrises and sunsets every single day. The ISS has been continuously inhabited by humans since the year 2000. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It is 3 times the height of Mount Everest and as wide as France. A day on Mars is just 37 minutes longer than a day on Earth. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm that has been raging for over 400 years. It is so large that 2 Earths could fit inside it side by side. Jupiter acts as a shield for Earth, pulling in asteroids with its massive gravity. Saturn's rings are made of billions of pieces of ice and rock. They stretch 282,000 kilometers wide but are only about 10 meters thick. The rings are slowly disappearing and will be completely gone in 100 million years. Space officially begins just 100 kilometers above your head. You could drive there in a car in about an hour if roads existed. Yet less than 700 humans in all of history have ever crossed that line. Space is completely silent because sound needs a medium to travel through. But scientists have detected pressure waves in gas clouds that translate to sound. The black hole at the center of the Perseus cluster hums in B-flat, 57 octaves below middle sea. Humans plan to return to the Moon and establish a permanent base by 2030. Mars missions are planned for the 2030s, marking humanity's first interplanetary journey. In the far future, the Sun will expand into a red giant and swallow the Earth whole. Every atom in your body was forged inside an ancient star. When those stars exploded, they scattered the elements that eventually formed you. You are not just looking at the universe. You are the universe, looking at itself.